In this video, I'll go over how to deposit a check on the Fifth Third app. So there are generally 7 steps. First, log into the app and go and tap the deposit button. Then choose the account you want to deposit to, so checking or savings, and then enter the exact amount written on the check. Now you will need to take photos of the check. So first the front side, place the check on a dark flat surface and take a clear photo of the front and ensure that all corners are visible. Then for the back side, endorse the check first by signing your name and writing "for mobile deposit at Fifth Third Bank only" before photographing the back. Then review and submit. So confirm the details and tap submit deposit. Then the last step is the confirmation and retention, so you will receive a confirmation message, and it's recommended to keep the physical check for 14 days in case of issues and then destroy it securely. Now, if your deposit is rejected for some reason, it could be because of blurry images, an incorrect amount entered, missing endorsement, or if there are any other issues, you can call their customer service line for help. So that's how to deposit a check on the Fifth Third mobile app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.